Still confused about when to use out and when to use in? Don't worry. Even experienced developers sometimes forget the rules. Fortunately, there is one famous principle that makes variants much easier. BEX, Producer Extend Consumer Super. In Kotlin, we translate it to Producer Out Consumer In. Let's make this rule unforgettable. Why we need this rule? After learning variants, developers often ask, should I use out or should I use in? Instead of memorizing complicated theory, use this simple question. Does this type produce data or consume data? That's the foundation of PACS. What is BEX? It stands for, as we said, Producer Extend and Consumer Super. This concept originally comes from Java generics. In Kotlin, it becomes Producer Out, Consumer In. The same idea, simpler syntax. Producer equal out. A producer gives data to others. For example, interface producer out t function get. The data flow producer t. For examples, list flow repository API response. Data comes out. Consumer equal in. Consumer receives data. For example, interface consumer in t function accept. Data flow t consumer. For example, event handler, validator, processor, listener. Data goes in. The ultimate memory trick. Remember, out equal output. Both start with out. And in equal input. Both start with in. So, output out, input in. So the keyword itself tells the story. Example, think of a vending machine. Vending machine have a drinks. It produces a product. So producer equal out. Now think of a recycling bin. Bottle recycling bin. So it consumes items. Consumer in. One gives things out, the other takes things in. BEX rule, producer extend, consumer super. Kotlin version, producer out, consumer in. Checklist, ask yourself, does it return data? Use out t. And does it receive data? Use in t. Thanks for watching and see you next video.